Hey everyone, in the last video we have discussed about how to perform a different types of joins using merge, right? So in this video I'm going to discuss about, explicitly what exactly is a join function. Join is a method used to combine two data frames using their index or a key column. Usually, join and merge is one and the same. We use both the methods in order to combine multiple data frames, and multiple data frames should have a common column. But the difference between merge and a join is usually in a merge, common column can be in any place. But when it comes to a join, we are going to combine two data frames based on their common index. Okay, just see here, I have taken a data frame wherein I had set my common column as an index column. Look here, this is an employee table wherein the common column has become an index. Similarly, I'm just making department ID as an index in department table as well. Using set index, I'm doing that. Okay, so anyhow, same data, employee details, department details. So since we know that common column is department ID, when we perform a join and when you have your common columns directly in our index place, you need not specify the common column in your code. Very simple. Let me explain inner join. So you have to take a first join. We all know that inner join gives you a common records, right? So you just need to call your first table employers dot. You just need to join with departments. Okay, employees dot join departments, comma. You just need to tell like how we're gonna perform an inner join. That's it. It is very simple, right? First table dot join second table, and you just need to tell how. You need not tell on which column you are performing this join, because since common column is in our index place, it will automatically understand. Okay, department ID is a common column. Crazy, right? Yeah. Okay, next one, left join. You can actually take the same code, you can copy paste. Left join will return everything from a left table and matching information from a right table. You just need to change how equals left. See, you got everything from employee table, and wherever no matching, it is just giving us a null, right? So similarly for right join, the same code in the place of inner, you just need to give a right. You get everything from right table, that is from department table. If no matching information in a left table, that is an employee, it just gives you none. Similarly, outer join gives records from both the table. If no matching, it just gives you none, right? Just change it as outer. You can see wherever there is no match, it's just giving you null. So this is all about a join. Simple understanding this. Join has a capacity to understand common column on its own because common columns will be in a index place. So we need not specify on operator. But in a merge, we specify on operator. We should tell which is the common column. So that's a difference between join as well as a merge. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.